Hypercare Virtual Pagers. Replace your physical pager with a virtual pager today. Just download the Hypercare app. Hypercare works anywhere in the world with internet. Available on iOS, Android, and web. Link a virtual number to an individual on-call role or dynamic on-call team. Get started with your virtual pager in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Receive your dedicated virtual number. Step 2. Personalize your voice message. And just like that, pages will show up as priority notifications in the Hypercare app. Access everything, all in one place. Check your pages. Listen to your voicemails.
Hi, Dr. Lee. This is Dr. Carter here. I have an urgent question about the patient in room 204. Please call me back when you have a chance.
And call back directly from the app. Get your Hypercare virtual pager today.